Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering the Pixel 3 XL off and removing the SIM tray. This avoids shorting. Use a heat source, hair dryer, or heat pad along the bottom edge to soften adhesive, then apply a suction cup and insert a plastic pick. Work methodically. Once the screen lifts slightly, slide picks around to free clips. Make sure to keep screws organized in columns corresponding to their holes so reassembly stays straightforward. Once the display is open, you should disconnect the battery connector immediately to prevent accidental shorts. Remove shielding screws and gently lift shielding plates to access the connector. Heat the battery area and use thin plastic cards or adhesive remover to separate the battery from the chassis. If adhesive strips are present, pull them slowly and evenly. Take care not to bend or puncture the lithium cell. If a strip tears, reapply heat. You place the new battery in the correct orientation and reconnect the battery connector before resealing. This lets you power on and test quickly. Once power is confirmed, reattach shielding and tighten screws to their original positions. Make sure each screw returns to its matching hole. Reapply new screen adhesive or double-sided tape, then press the display into place. If the phone doesn't boot, try reconnecting the battery and screen. If still dead, check for loose connectors or replace the adhesive strip alignment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.